Good evening students, welcome back. Welcome to the abacus classes. I hope kids that you all are fit and fine at your places. Now as you can see, our today's topic is addition and subtraction sums with the help of small friend and big friend formulas. See kids, in our previous video also we have done a number of sums related to addition and subtraction using big friends and small friends. See, today again I will explain you some sums more of addition and subtraction only. See, your previous sums are also of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. In our previous video, we have done the sums which are 5 row sums. In this video also, we are taking 5 row sums only. Means today we will do some more sums related to the previous topic only. Now kids, as you can see that I have written 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 sums on the whiteboard. So our today's task is that we have to calculate this addition and subtraction sums with the help of formulas and the tool here. Secondly, you can see that I have written the small friends and the big friends for you for help. See kids, in my previous videos, I have explained you these small friends and big friends. Those students who have not watched that small friend and big friend formula video, please watch that video and write the small friends and big friends in your abacus notebook, because kids, with the help of these formulas only you will do your sums in the tool. Now let's first of all revise the formulas. As you can see small friends. In small friends there are two types of formulas. One is for addition and one is for subtraction. See, in addition there is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. In subtraction there is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Same way we have big friend formulas for addition and subtraction. See, in addition 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. All are plus. And in subtraction, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, 1 to 9 subtraction and 1 to 9 addition formulas of big friends are written here for your help. So kids, let's start our today's topic with the first sum. As you can see that your all sums are 2 row sums. So your first row will go in 1's rod, second row will go in 10's rod. Same way here also. Now kids, a quick revision of the abacus tool. As you can see, the outer part is called frame. This midline is called value bar. Up beads are called upper beads. Lower one are called lower beads. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots. Mid dot rod. This rod. From this rod we start our calculations. This is units rod, tens rod, hundreds rod. In these 3 rods we do our calculations. So now kids, let's start adding. See kids, before starting the sums, I want to tell you 2 main things. See, the first rule which you have to follow in this sum is that whenever you will get lack of beads, so you will go for the small friends. And if you can't apply small friends, then you will go for the big friends. First thing. Second thing, that whenever you will add this 10 in big friends, you will add this 10 in one rod up. See, follow these 2 rules and your sums will be correct. Now let's start. See, first of all you have to add this 2 in 10's rod. 1, 2 in 10's rod. Then this 3 in 1's rod. 1, 2, 23 we have added. Next, you have to add this 1 in 10's rod. 1. 0, 0 means nothing. Add. Next, you have to add this 5 in tens order. This 5 in tens order. Bead is there, we can add directly. Now you have to add this 7 in ones order. This 7. You can see 5 and 6 bead is there. 7 is not there. Now for adding this 7, take the help of big friends plus 7. This. Take the help of this formula. Now you can see kids for adding 7, but you have to do plus 10 minus 3. Now plus 10 you will do in one rod up and minus 3 from the same rod. See 7 you have to add in ones rod, means here. So 10 you will add here. And minus 3 from the same rod, 1, 2, and our 7 is added. Next, you have to add 4 in tens rod. Now you can see kids that 4 is already added. Now for adding 4, first of all we will go with the small friends. Now for adding 4, the first number which you will have to add is 5. And you can see that 5 is already added. So you can't apply small friend in this 4. So for 4 you will go with the big friends. For adding 4, use plus 10 minus 6. Now for adding this 4 in tens rod, means here. Plus 10 you will do here. Plus 10 in one rod up and minus 6 from the same rod. 5, 6. And your 4 is added. See, directly you have to take the formula and you have to put it here. Yes. Whenever you get lack of bead, just go through the formula, take the formula and apply in the 2. Now next you have to add the 6 in ones rod. Now for 6, see beads are there. 5, 6. And your 6 is added. Next you have to add this 3 in tens rod. See 3 bead is not there. So for this 3, again you have to take the help of small friends first of all. Now for adding 3, what is the formula? Plus 5 minus 2. Now plus 5 we can do, yes, plus 5 we can do. Plus 5 minus 2 and your 3 is added. See, I told you that first of all you will go for the small friends, and when you can't apply small friends, then you will go with the big friends. See, plus 5 minus 2 we have done and 3 is added. Now next you have to add this 9. Now 9, see 9 is not there, 6 is already added in ones rod. Now for 9 you will take this help of big friends. Plus 10 minus 1. Now 9 you have to add in ones rod, means here. Now 10 you will add here, one rod up and minus 1 from the same rod, and your sum is completed. Now count. See, we have used this hundreds rod also in this. So 1 in hundreds rod, 5, 6, 7 in tens rod, and 5 in ones rod. So your answer is 175. See kids, for solving these 5 row sums, these small friends and big friend formulas should be in your fingertips. Then only you can do your calculations fast. Now kids, as you can see that in small friends, there are only formulas from 1 to 4. So, if you will get lack of bead of 1, 2, 3 and 4, either addition or subtraction, then you will check that you have to apply the small friend or the big friends. But if you will get the numbers like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so directly apply the big friends, because in small friends there is no 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So when you will get lack of bead of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so directly apply the big friends. And if you will get the lack of bead of 1, 2, 3, 4, then first of all check that can you apply small friends, and if you can't apply small friends, then go with the big friends. Now kids, we will move to our second sum. Now set your abacus before starting. Upper beads up, lower beads down. Now kids, put this 4 in tens rod. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this 2 in ones rod. 1, 2. And your 42 is added. Now next, add this 6 in tens rod. Now see, 4 you have already added. So for 6, use the big friend formula. Now for adding 6 kids, see this. See, you are well known that 6 is not there in small friends. So directly use big friends. Now for adding 6, there is plus 10 minus 4. Now 6 you have to add in tens rod, means here. So plus 10 you will do here. Plus 10 and minus 4 from the same rod. And your 6 is added. Next, add this 7. Now you can see 7 bead is there, just count. See 5, 6, 7. Yes, bead is there. 5, 6, 7. Directly you can add it. Next, minus 8. Now you can see kids that in tens rod nothing is added. So how you will do minus? Now for minus 8 use the formula. Fraction formula of big friends, minus 8. Minus 8 is equals to minus 10 plus 2. Now minus 10 also you will do from one rod up. See, either you will add 10 or you will subtract 10. You have to do it from one rod up. See, minus 8 you have to do in this tens rod. So minus 8 you will do in one rod up, minus 10. And plus 2 in the same rod in tens rod. Add that minus 8 from one rod up and 2 in the same rod means tens rod. And your 8 is subtracted. Nothing you have to do now. Now kids, subtract 2. See, minus 2. Just take care of the sign. Minus 2 in the ones rod. See, ones rod 1, 2. Subtract it. Now next, add this 9 in tens rod. Now 2 we have already added. So how we will add 9? Now for 9, take the help of big friends. Again this adding 9. See, plus 10 minus 1. Plus 10 one rod up, minus 1 from the same rod. Now 9 you have to add in tens rod means here. So 10 you will add plus 10 minus 1 from the same rod. 9 added. Now you have to add this 0. 0 means nothing. Next, minus 1 in tens rod. Minus 1, minus 1. Next, minus 3 here. Now, only 2 is added. So, how you will do minus 3? Minus 3, take the help of small friends. For minus 3, minus 5 plus 2. Minus 5 plus 2 and your sum is completed. Now count. See, 1 in hundreds rod. Nothing in tens rod, nothing means 0. And 1, 2, 3, 4 in ones rod. So your answer is 104. I hope kids that you are getting the sums. Now kids, we will move to the third sum. Before starting third sum, set your abacus, lower beads down, upper beads up. Now kids, first of all add this 4 in tens rod. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 2 in ones rod, 1, 2. And your 42 is added. Next, add this 2 in tens rod. See, 2 you have to add in tens rod, but bead is not there. So for this 2, take the help of small friends. As you know that in small friends, there are numbers from 1 to 4. So for 2, for adding 2, see adding 2, this formula. Plus 5 minus 3. So for adding 2, plus 5 minus 3 and your 2 is added. Now next, add the 6 in ones rod. See, bead is there, 5, 6 and 6 is done. Next, you have to minus 6 in tens rod. Now say minus 6 is there, so 5, 6 and this is done. Now 0 means nothing. So nothing. So till this much we have completed. Now next add this 8 in tens rod. See 5, 6, 7, 8. And this 8 is done. Next add this 4 in ones rod. Now you can see that only one bead is there. So how you will add 4? Now for adding 4, take the help of small friends. Now for adding 4, there is plus 5 minus 1. As you can see that 5 is already added. So how you will add this 5 again? So for adding 4, you will take the help of big friends. This for adding 4. But we have to add first of all plus 10 minus 6. Now 4 you have to add in ones rod means here. So 10 you will add here. One rod up and minus 6 from the same rod. 5, 6. And your 4 is done. Now minus 5 in tens rod. Minus 5. Then you have to do minus 9 in ones rod. Now see only 2 beads we have added. So minus 9 we will take the help of big friends this. For minus 9, first of all do minus 10. Minus 10, see minus 9 you have to do in ones rod means this. So minus 10 you will do here. Minus 10. And then plus 1 in the same rod. And your minus 9 done. Now count. See hundreds rod we have not used. So 1, 2, 3 in tens rod. And 1, 2, 3 in ones rod. So your answer is 33. Now kids, I hope that you can do these sums fastly in this tool. Now we will move to our fourth sum. Set your abacus, upper beads up, lower beads down. Now kids, first of all add this 9 in tens. See 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 1 in ones rod. Then after this, see you have to add this 1 in tens rod. Now you can't add this 1 in tens rod. You can see that 9 we have already added. Now see kids, now again and again you are checking that either small friend is applied or not. See, keep it in your mind that for adding small friends, first number which you will add is 5. And for subtracting any number, the first number which you will subtract is 5. Means 5 is the best friend of small friends. So, first of all check for 5. If 5 is added, this means you can't apply small friends. See here you have to add 1 in tens rod. And you can see that 5 is already added. So, 5 is already added. This means that you can't apply small friends. So, for adding 1, you will go with the big friends. Plus 10 minus 9. Now 1 you have to add in this tens rod means this. So plus 10, 1 rod up and minus 9 from the same rod. And 1 is done. Now next 0 means nothing. Now next you have to do minus 7 in tens rod. Now tens rod nothing is there. So for minus 7 just take the help of this big friends. Subtraction formula. Minus 7 is equals to minus 10 plus 3. Now for minus 7, first of all do minus 10. Now minus 7 you have to do in tens rod means this. So minus 10, 1 rod up. And 3 you have to add in same rod. Then minus 3 in ones rod. Now you can see only one bead is added. So minus 3 you will do from here. Minus 3. Minus 10 plus 7. Now for minus 3 in ones rod means here. Minus 10 in one rod up. And 5, 6, 7 you have to add in same rod. Now next you have to add the 6. So 6 you can add directly in tens rod. Next you have to add 2. So see 2 bead is Not there. Only one bead is there. Now for adding 2, you will take the help of small friends first of all. Now as I told you that in small friends for adding any number, first of all you have to add 5. Now see, for adding 2 here 5 is already added. This means we can't apply small friends. So for adding 2 we will go with the big friends. Plus 10 minus 8. 2 you have to add in 1's rod means here. Plus 10 you will do here. And minus 8 from the same rod. And 2 is done. Now minus 8 in tens. 5, 6, 7, 8. And minus 5 1's rod. Now for minus 5 take the help of this big friend minus 5 because 5 is not added only, so how you will minus it? Now for minus 5, first of all do minus 10. Now minus 5 you have to do in 1's rod means this. So minus 10 you will do in 1 rod up. And plus 5 in the same rod. Now count. See in 100, nothing. Tens, nothing. But in 1's, so its answer is 0, 5 or you can say only 5 also. Now kids, we will move to our last sum and that sum we will do quickly, okay, without marking any formula. Now kids, first of all you have to add 4. Now for adding 4, see 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 7. 5, 6, 7. 47 we have done. Now 3. See in 10's rod we have to add 3 but the bead is not there. So you have to learn the formulas. Now we will not see the formulas. The last sum we will do orally without seeing the formulas. You also have to do like same. Now for adding 3 in 10's rod means here bead is not there. So for 3 the formula is plus 5 minus 2. Small friend formula we can apply. Now next we have to add 5 in 1's. See 5 is already added. So we will take the help of big friend formula. For adding 5, the formula is plus 10 minus 5. So 5 we have to add here. So plus 10 we will do here in 1 rod up. And minus 1 minus 5 from the same rod. See orally I am applying the formulas. Now 8. 8 in 10's rod. Now 8 in 10's rod means here. Bead is not there for adding 8. Again big friend formula. Now for adding 8, the formula is plus 10 minus 2. Now 8 you have to add in 10's rod means here. So 10 you will add here in 1 rod up and minus 2 from the same rod. And 8 is done. Now 9 in 1's. 9 bead, only 2 bead. We have added 2 beads. So how you will add 9? Now for 9 also use the big friend formula plus 10 minus 1. Now 9 you have to add in 1's rod means here. So plus 10 minus 1. 10 in 1 rod up and minus 1 from the same rod. 2. 10's rod. 1, 2. 1. Now next you have to add the 7 in 10's rod. Now you can see that 9 we have already added. Now what you have to do to add 7? Plus 10 minus 3 big friend formula. Now for plus 10, see 7 you have to add in 10's rod means here. So plus 10 in 1 rod up and minus 3 from the same rod. See all the formulas I have put orally. You also have to put it orally, but first of all kids you have to learn them and you have to do a number of sums related to them because it needs practice. Now count. See in 100's rod there is 2, in 10's rod there is 6 and in 1's rod there is again 2. So your answer is 262. I hope kids that you get these sums. See kids, with this video I have given you practice PDF. Do that practice PDF in your abacus notebook and kids try to learn these formulas. Learn these formulas and apply these formulas in these sums and the tool directly. Like this last one I have done. Practice, you can do it, but it needs practice. So kids, I hope that you get our today's topic, which is addition and subtraction sums with the help of small and big friends. So kids, next time we will meet with a new activity. Make sure kids you watch every single video and stay tuned to my video to learn more activity. Thank you.